Filipina Y.C. versus the Honorable Court of Appeals. The facts of the case. Filipina C. and Fernando C. contracted marriage on November 15, 1973 in Quezon City. They had 2 children. On September 15, 1983, Fernando left the conjugal dwelling. Since then, they lived separately with the children in the custody of their mother. On February 11, 1987, Filipina filed a petition for legal separation before the RTC of San Fernando, Pampanga, which was later amended to a petition for separation of property. Petitioner filed for a declaration of absolute nullity of marriage on the ground of psychological incapacity, but it was denied. On appeal, she raised the issue of their marriage being void ab initio for the lack of marriage license. Their marriage license was obtained on September 17, 1972, while their marriage was celebrated on November 15, 1973. Hence, the marriage license was expired already. The issue of the case. Whether or not the marriage is valid. Ruling. No evidence shows that there was no marriage license. A marriage license is a formal requirement. Its absence renders the marriage void ab initio. In addition, the marriage contract shows that the marriage license was issued in Carmona, Cavite, yet neither petitioner nor private respondent ever resided in Carmona. Marriage is void ab initio for lack of marriage license. Issue on psychological incapacity is hereby mooted.